minutes later. Ah.
Yes.
We did it, Orange Cow. 100 cans of pop. Yeah! Geez, I don't think that was a real good idea. What goose, can we sit down? This better? Oh, Orange Cow, that was brilliant. That's it. What's with all the burping? Well, me and Orange Cow were staying up all night, and... Well, shut up! I'm trying to sleep. I put in a hard day's work. Frog. Okay, Block Frog. Let's go to bed now.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. Orange Cow, I feel a big one coming. Yeah, me too.
Wow.
That's it. Those losers just lost their life privileges. You guys are a very comfy bed. This is going to be a long night. Did I say you could talk?
Let's play ball, boys. Yes.